This is a common problem that I find really annoying. When you add an icon to your screen, it doesn't matter how big it is, you're going to have a bit of a gap beneath the icon. And it's even more noticeable when you shrink down your icon. No matter how big it is, you're always going to have this gap. I have purposefully given this icon a grey background just so that you can see this extra bit of gap here. So how do you get rid of it? One of the simple ways is just to go over to your advanced tab and go and add in some negative bottom margin. But you could do something even better. Add this really simple bit of CSS. Go down to custom CSS and drop this code in. And look at that, the gap has completely gone. The really simple method would be to just go into your site settings and drop this in. And whenever you add in an icon, that little bit of gap you get at the bottom will no longer be visible. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. Go and check out our Elementor website course. Go and join our channel to support us and to get access to exclusive videos. Take care. I'll see you soon. Bye.